In this video, you're going to see me build a whole bike, a good running OHV, out of parts. Too many rides here. The plan is to make a dirt bike out of parts. Where did we leave off? We left off with get a motor. Get a motor. What's the matter with you? All right. So we got a motor. We went and got a motor. Here it is here. Yeah, there's a motor. Okay. Too many rides here. You remember the plan. Early stages of the plan, I had the tracker project. You don't remember the tracker project? And towards the end of that phase, I tested the motor out, at least statically here in the garage, and it seemed to run good enough. So that's the motor we're going to use. The motor from the 1991 Tracker Project.
It's alive! It's alive!
Okay, you've got the 1991 Tracker Project motor. Still dirty from when it was last running, but it's complete. There you go, that's the plan. We'll put that motor in that bike.
Actually, that motor runs pretty good.
And wait until you see the plastics I'm going to put on it. That ought to be a riot.